Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video right here, we're going to do another Forsage update. By the way, my name is T. And before we get started with the video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way every time I upload to YouTube, you'll be one of the first people to know. So we're going to dive into the computer. Well, we're already into the computer actually. And we're going to go take a look at my back office. And okay, so today there are 540,834 people that's in Forsage as of right now. And there has been 13,357 people that has joined within the last 24 hours. That's what's up. Listen, guys, it's growing. So I still have the same two referrals. I have 125. So I think yesterday it was like 129. So the price of Ethereum went down today. Okay, so in X3 I have $60, and in X4 I have 65. Okay, yeah, all right. So what I'm gonna do, since there's really not much going on, I'm going to just take a look at how many clicks I got on my link. Oh, this is the wrong page. All right, so I have a number of 30 clicks, 2 people signed up, and yeah, those are 2 people on my structure, and these are my people. And it's actually cool because you can actually click on the people that referred you, and you can see like what they got going on in their account. But I ain't gonna peek into y'all account. I ain't gonna peek into y'all account. All right, so 30 clicks. That's cool. All right, so with that being said, guys, that's pretty much it. It's not really too much to talk about when it comes to this update because you guys are already seen what's going on already. And if you guys are interested in joining Forsage, be sure to hit the link in the description, ginger.forevereth.com. And if you guys just want more information on Forsage, you can go to that same link as well. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to see you in the next video. I hope everyone has a great night, great morning, great day, afternoon, whenever you're seeing this. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.